In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Mailchimp campaign. Whether you're looking to tweak your email marketing strategy, update your content, or simply want to refresh the design of your existing campaign, you've come to the right place. Editing your Mailchimp campaign is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step to ensure your campaign not only looks professional, but also captures the attention of your audience. To begin, you'll need to access your Mailchimp account. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp login page. Once there, you should see fields prompting you for your username or email and your password. Fill in your credentials. Remember, your username or email is what you used when signing up for Mailchimp, and the password is case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as you created it. After you've entered your login information, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. If you encounter any login issues, double check your credentials, and if necessary, use the forgot password feature to reset your password. Now that you're logged in, you're going to want to head over to your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the campaigns section. This is typically located in the top menu. Clicking on campaigns will take you to the area where all your email marketing magic happens. Here you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Scroll through your list of campaigns and select the one you want to edit by clicking on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of your campaign. Look for the Edit Design button, which will allow you to enter the campaign designer where you can make all your desired edits. Once in the campaign designer, you'll notice several options to customize your campaign. You can add content, modify layouts, and tweak styles, among other things. These options are usually represented as tabs or sections within the designer. Starting with content, this area lets you add or modify text, images, buttons, and other elements in your campaign. Think of this section as the core of your campaign where you convey your message. Next, explore the Layouts tab. Layouts are pre-designed structures that define how elements in your campaign are arranged. Picking a different layout can significantly change the look and feel of your email. Moving on, click on the Styles tab. Here you can get creative with your campaign's aesthetics. You can adjust fonts, colors, and the overall style to ensure your email aligns with your brand's identity. Pay special attention to the background color and body color options to create a visually appealing contrast that enhances readability. Furthermore, in the Styles section, you will find options to customize your text, links, and buttons. Clicking on text allows you to define the font style, size, and color of your campaign's body text. This is crucial for making your content accessible and easy to read. Under the link option, you can set the color and style of hyperlinks in your email. This helps ensure that links are noticeable and encourages recipients to click through to your website or offer. Lastly, don't overlook the button option. The design of your buttons can significantly impact click-through rates. Here you can customize the color, border, and text of buttons to make them stand out. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign lies in keeping your design consistent with your brand, ensuring your message is clear, and making your call-to-action buttons enticing and noticeable. Once you've made all your desired changes, take a moment to review your campaign. Mailchimp offers a preview feature that allows you to see how your email will look on different devices and in various email clients. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself first, ensuring everything appears as expected before sending it out to your entire list. Editing your Mailchimp campaign is an ongoing process. Feel free to experiment with different layouts, styles, and content to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating email campaigns that not only look great, but also drive results. Remember, Mailchimp is a powerful tool at your disposal. With a little practice and creativity, you can leverage it to meet and exceed your email marketing goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you on your journey to mastering Mailchimp campaigns.